guys, it's Susan and welcome to my channel. As you can tell, I'm not by myself, I'm with my Dutch friend.
Hi, I'm Foxy.
So today, she's gonna get a tattoo. So we're in Hongdae, we're gonna get a drink first and then get a tattoo.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna get tortured, or at least I'm gonna get tortured.
I'm gonna watch. So we got some cake. Actually, I'm just gonna take some bites. It's the Dutch caramel. That's it? Something?
Yeah, Dutch salted caramel.
Oh, it's salted caramel. And you got a drink. I don't know what it is, but looks nice. I got some water. And that's it. Enjoy. Okay, so, by the way, this place looks really pretty, so I just wanted to show you. Look how pretty these chairs with the tables and stuff and the marble. These seats are black and these ones are with gold. So we're on our way. How are you feeling?
Nervous. Very nervous.
But I'm excited though.
And you're just excited to see me suffer.
Ah!
Mooi. Mooi.
Dank je.
Toch? Yep, moet je wel eens weer.
Oh, hello.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty small, like 20 size.
Oh, hij is wel echt heel pretty.
Ik zoiets zou je nooit krijgen.
That is pretty.
Okay. I think it's really pretty. Like, you would never get a tattoo like this in the Netherlands. You just get like 5 lines and that's it. Well, this is quite detailed.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
It's really, really,
It's
really
so pretty.
Yeah, I'm excited. And it's not even mine.
내 타투는 아프지 않아. I'm liar. Yeah.
This is not my best angle, whatever.
You look cute, girl. Is it finished? Check. I'm coming, I'm coming. Ooh. I feel like VIP now. It looks really good. It's really detailed. Ta-da-ta-ta. What are those?
오, 잘 보여. 우와, 잘 보인다.
Bitch, better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Pay me what you want me.
I know this song.
I'm gonna leave.
Yeah.
Because I have to do some things. I'm going to Itaewon to look for a job. Maybe we'll meet again today.
Yeah, maybe we will. But at least I have the two.
So, bye! So right now I'm in Itaewon and I'm meeting with Foxy again. I asked her like, hey, have you ever been to Itaewon? Just come. I don't know what to do because I was looking for a job and then I went somewhere and they're like, hey, the manager is gonna be here in 2 hours. So yeah, I'm not going home. So I'm basically just sitting here waiting for her to come. Guess where I am again. So we're gonna get the cookie pizza and we're gonna get one thing to share. Eten niet gefilmd. I will insert pictures now for when our food looked good. Ja, echt hè. Cute. Wow. It's like the entire amount. I just thought of it. I could have saved I want this one. cute. Oh my god. Oh. So meet my BT21 Bae, RJ, and meet my BTS Bae, Jungkook, together. Woo. First of all, we have all this BT21. Oh my god, I love it. I want something, I need it. And then we have this amazing Line Friends house. Looks so cute. Food.
세상은 절망의 또 다른 이름